Hello, beautiful beings. Welcome to this practice where we'll explore 5 essential yoga poses that can benefit your body and mind. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to refine your practice, these poses offer something for everyone. Remember to move at your own pace, listen to your body, and most importantly, breathe. Get ready to unwind, connect with your breath, and experience the transformative power of yoga. Let's roll out our mats and begin. Our first pose is the foundational downward dog. This pose is excellent for lengthening the spine, stretching the hamstrings and calves, and strengthening the arms and shoulders. To come into downward dog, start on your hands and knees. Walk your hands slightly forward and spread your fingers wide. As you exhale, lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Relax your head and neck and gaze towards your shins. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, feeling the stretch in your entire body. Let's transition into child's pose, a restful and calming posture. This pose gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles while releasing tension in the back. From downward dog, bring your knees to the ground and bring your big toes together. Lower your hips towards your heels and rest your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms forward, palms facing down. Close your eyes and surrender to the pose, breathing deeply and feeling a sense of peace wash over you. Stay here for 1 to 2 minutes. We'll now move into Warrior 2, a powerful standing pose that strengthens the legs and core while improving stability. Step your right foot forward and turn your left foot outwards at a 90-degree angle. Extend your arms to the sides, parallel to the floor. Bend your right knee, aligning it over your right ankle. Keep your torso open and gaze over your right fingertips. Feel the strength in your legs and the groundedness of this pose. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then repeat on the other side. Let's move on to bridge pose, a rejuvenating pose that strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings while opening the chest and shoulders. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms by your sides with palms facing down. As you inhale, press into your feet and lift your hips off the floor. Engage your core and keep your thighs parallel to each other. Interlace your fingers behind your back and gently press your arms towards the floor to deepen the stretch. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then gently release. Our final pose is tree pose, a balancing pose that cultivates focus, stability, and inner peace. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight onto your right foot and bend your left knee. Place the sole of your left foot on your inner right thigh, either above or below the knee, avoiding the knee joint. Bring your hands to your heart center or extend them overhead. Find a focus point and breathe deeply, maintaining your balance. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then repeat on the other side. Congratulations on completing these 5 yoga poses. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these poses into your routine regularly to experience their full benefits. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery and well-being. As you move through each pose, pay attention to how your body feels and honor its wisdom. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more yoga inspiration. Namaste.